Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to find the radius of convergence and interval of convergence. The first thing we can use about the root test. So I will put an that is about this one. So we can apply the formula in here. That is about the limit and approach to positive infinity, and we have n root, and we have the absolute value of an. So in this case I will put this one go in here because this is inside the absolute value. That means negative number 1 to the power of n, they always positive. So if we put everything go outside, they will be like this. Next, I will show you the technique how to find the limit of this one. So because n go to positive infinity, that means 2n minus 1 they are positive. So in this case I will put like this. Next, we have the formula. So we need to transform this one, that is about 8, into this one. So we can put the limit go in here. So we need to focus on this one. So in this case we can put like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. So 8, that is this one, b, that is this one. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the next one. So 8, that is number 1, b, that is 2n minus 1. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Of n number 1, we have number 0. So when n approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity because we have the negative side. So they go to negative infinity. So in this case, we have infinity over infinity. So we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. And now if we apply the formula, that will be like this. This one we have number 1. This one, that is number 2 over 2n minus 1. When n approach to positive infinity, negative number 2 divided by positive infinity, we have number 0. So that means in this one, we have e to the power of number 0, and we have number 1. That means the value of this one equals to number 1. So after we have s minus 1 over number 2, if we look carefully, we have negative number 1 to the power of n. In this case, when we got about the positive, that means they will be negative, positive, negative, positive. So in this case, s minus 1 over number 2 should be between form positive number 1 and negative number 1. We don't have the equal sign. If we have the equal sign in here, they will become to this one, they will go to negative. Negative combined with negative, they cancel the negative. So that means we have the series with only positive. With only positive, you got divergent. So that means if we have this one is positive, this one positive combined negative, they still negative. So that's why we have like this. Now we multiply both sides by number 2. And then we put negative number 1 go to the left, go to the right. So we have negative number 1 and positive number 3. So the answer for the question, interval of convergence. So that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 3. The last one, the radius of convergence. To answer about this one, we have number 3. We minus negative number 1 divided by number 2, and we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.